Hi, this is Steve from itDuzzit. I'm going to demonstrate how it takes just minutes to build phone and SMS applications using itDuzzit and Twilio. Twilio is a great service that lets developers build phone and SMS applications, and itDuzzit is a tool that lets non-developers build mini apps, mashups, and web services that can easily be deployed on the web. So by combining these two tools, it makes it possible for non-developers to build phone and SMS apps. So the first thing I'm going to do is sign into my itDuzzit account. And then I'm going to select Create itDuzzit. So when I create itDuzzit, that's actually going to be a web service that Twilio will call when we make our phone call. So I'm going to select a voice or SMS application and select the Simple Say template and create my Duzzit. So now that my Duzzit is created, I could actually run this. One thing you'll notice is that all of the input values are defaulted. Well, these are the input values that any Twilio phone application would expect. So those are all already pre-defaulted for you. So let's edit the Duzzit and take a look see what it looks like. So now we're in the Duzzit editor. You can see on the left are all of our inputs. In the middle is the area where we can actually set the message. So anything you type in this message field will be recited when we make our phone call. So to make this interesting, let's pull some data from the web. Let's just get weather, and we'll drop it right into our Duzzit. And my zip code is 60618. So I'll go ahead and enter that as the zip code. And when I do that, you'll notice that weather now shows up on the left. So what I can do is just drag a field from weather and drop it right into my message and save it. So there we go, we're done. There's one last thing I need to do. Because this is a web service, I need to make this available to anybody on the internet, not just people who are logged in. So to do that, I'll click Share It and allow others to run the Duzzit. There we go, we're done. So now let's go over to Twilio, where I have set up a phone number, and let's paste in the URL of our Duzzit. Well, to get that, we can select Get as API, and we want to return the XML. So we'll select XML, and then here's our URL for the Duzzit. So we'll copy this value and paste it right here into Twilio and hit save. So there. So now we're ready. Let's give it a try.
Hello from itDuzzit. You called from Chicago. The temperature is 52.
There we go. It was that easy. It took just minutes to use Twilio and itDuzzit to create a phone application. Now let's see how easy it is to create a more interactive phone application. I will create a Duzzit. I'll select a voice or SMS application. This time I'm going to select Gather Digits and Respond. So this template will be one that will allow me to actually gather the digits that the user types in on the phone. So my Duzzit is created, so I'll edit it, and I can see the first step of the Duzzit is just the initial prompt. It says, hello from itDuzzit, please enter a zip code. If the user enters a zip code and it's a valid zip, we'll actually get some information about the zip code and then recite it. In this case, we'll recite the city. Again, we can pull data from our menu. I can get the weather. And this time, let's use the digits that the user typed in for the zip code. And we can say the temperature is and save that. And there we go, we have an interactive phone application. Now the last thing I need to do again is I need to share the itDuzzit so that it's available on the web as a web service. And I'm set. So again, we'll get our API URL, and we'll paste that over in Twilio and assign it to our phone number. Save that. Okay, let's give it a try.
Hello from itDuzzit. Please enter a zip code.
I'll enter my zip code.
That zip is in Chicago. The temperature is 51 degrees.
There we go. I created an interactive phone app using Twilio and itDuzzit, and it took just minutes. If you'd like to give it a try, please visit Twilio and itDuzzit for a free trial account, and you can give it a try for yourself. Thanks.